How to track your order on Wolt. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to track your order on Wolt. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to open your Wolt app on your mobile phone, just like I've done here, and the first thing you are going to see is a map picture showing you several countries on the map, and it's going to show you the location of what restaurants on the map. So you simply click on the one that is the closest to you if you want to make the right choice while placing your order. At the lower part of the screen, you see icons like the delivery and discovery icon, you see the restaurant icon, you see the stores icon, you see the search icon and the profile icon. So Wolt app is basically about food ordering and food delivery. So if you want to order a food online, you can simply use the Wolt app. The Wolt app helps you to give you a list of restaurants, so you can go through the list of restaurants and make your choice. And once you've placed your order, the food will be delivered to you at the doorstep of your home. So at the lower part of the screen, like I said earlier, we have icons. So to track your order on Wolt, you simply click on the profile icon, which is the last and fifth icon on the list. Once you click on it, the profile page will be displayed to you, where at the top left corner of your screen you see your name. You also see tokens, credits. If you want to use your tokens or your credits, you can go ahead and you see the option to invite friends, to enter promo code. You see option to contact customer support. You also see order history. This is exactly where we're going to, since you want to learn how to track your order on Wolt. You simply click on order history. We wait for the page to load. Here I do not have any order because I have not placed any order. But for you, since you want to track your order on Wolt, you simply once you click on the order history, all the orders you've made will be displayed on your screen. Then once you see the one you want to track, you have a long press on it for like 2 to 3 seconds, and once you've done that, a drop down will be displayed on your screen giving you options. Then check the options very well till you see the option track. You click on track. Once you click on track, you successfully track your order on Wolt. So you'll be able to keep track of your order, to know if your order is close, or to know where your order has gotten to, and so on. So this is simply how to track your order on Wolt. I hope you find this video insightful. Thank you.